I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking 4th standard English subject. Today's topic is lesson number 3, The Clever Little Ants. The Clever Little Ants. So students, this lesson having two parts. One part is ant and the grasshopper. It is the short story. And second part is the clever little ants. This lesson having two parts. One part is ant and the grasshopper. It is the short story about the ant and the grasshopper. So let's start the ant and the grasshopper. In the summer, the grasshopper was content to play music and sit in the sun. So, in the summer season, grasshopper was satisfied. Content means satisfied. In the summer, the grasshopper was satisfied to play music and sit in the sun in summer season. The ant kept carrying past carrying grains of wheat. It looked tired. Why are you running around in this weather? The grasshopper asked the ant. So here ants, the little ants, carrying means moving fast with small quick steps. So here the ant kept carrying grains of wheat. So here ants are collecting grains, food. They are collecting the food. It looked tired. So here ants look tired. Why are you running around in this weather? So here grasshopper asked to the ant, why are you looking so tired? And why are you running around in this hot season? In this hot, why are you running around and you look so tired? Who asked this? Grasshopper asked to the ant. I am preparing for winter when there will be less food, and so should you, it replied. So now the ant replied that they are preparing and collecting food for the winter season when there will be less food. In winter season there will be a less food. They will not get sufficient amount of food. So they are preparing, and you should also collect the food. Ant replied. The grasshopper ignored the advice of the ant, but the grasshopper ignored. Ignored means not considered something or not let it influence you. So the grasshopper ignored the advice of the ant. Here the grasshopper, without giving any influence, without consider, he ignored the advice of the ant, and it was enjoying the sunshine far too much to start collecting food for the winter. He was not thinking about to collect the food for the winter season, and he was enjoying his music and sunshine. So it lay on the warm grass and began to play its music again. So the grasshopper lay on the warm grass, and again he began to play its music again. He started enjoying again. In the winter, the grass was cold and frosty, and the wind howled across the fields. In winter, what happens? The grass was cold and frosty. Cold means covered with frost. The grass was covered with frost, and wind howled. Here, howl means wind blowing with a loud sound. In winter, what happens? Grass was very cold and frosty, covered with frost, and wind howled across the fields. Means here wind blowing with a loud sound. The ant was happy in its home because its larder was full of corn and wheat. So, in the winter season, the ant was very happy in its home. The ant was happy in its home because the larder was full of corn and wheat. Larder means a cupboard or small room where food is stored, usually in a kitchen. Larder means a small room or kitchen where food is stored. So, their kitchen, usually the kitchen was full of corn and wheat. It knew that it had enough food to last the entire winter, and ant was very happy because their home is full of wheat and corn. So also they know that they have enough food to last the entire winter. So they know that they have enough food for the winter season. Up to the end of winter season, the grasshopper was starting to get hungry. Now the grasshopper started hungry. Now grasshopper gets hungry. So it was too cold for the grass outside to grow and it had no food. It knew that the ant would have some food. Now grasshopper get hungry. So now the grasshopper know that the ant must have some food. They can help me. They can give me some food. Because outside it was too cold. Grass was too cold and frosty. It knew that the ant would have some food. So it went out into the cold wind and walked to the ant's house. In the winter season, the grasshopper walked to the ant's house. Now it go to the ant house. Please may I have some of your food? The grasshopper begged. Please may I have some of your food? The grasshopper begged. What the grasshopper begged? Please may I get some food? Grasshopper started begging. What he begged? Please may I have some of your food? Please can you give me some food? The ant was angry because it had worked very hard to collect enough food for the long winter months ahead. So now the ant became very angry. Why the ants became very angry? Because they already advised to the grasshopper that you should also collect the food for the winter season, because they knew it. In the winter season the grass was cold and frosty, so they cannot get the food. So now when the grasshopper begged to the ant to give some food, that time the ant was very angry because the ant had worked very hard to collect food for the winter season. If you hadn't been so lazy and had prepared for the winter like I suggested, you would not be hungry now. So now the ant tell to the grasshopper, I have suggested you. So if you collected the food in summer seasons, now you wouldn't be hungry. You are so lazy. So I have suggested you to collect the food in the summer seasons only. In winter, you wouldn't be hungry now. I don't have any extra food for you. So this food is enough for us. So we don't have extra food to give you. And tell to the grasshopper. The ant went back to its warm fire and stocked cupboards, leaving the lazy grasshopper out in the cold. Now, after giving the answer to the grasshopper, the ant went back to their warm fire. Where they went? They went to their warm fire because it is the winter season, and stocked cupboards, leaving the lazy grasshopper out in the cold. Now and went back to their warm fire. They were hot. They went back there, leaving the lazy grasshopper outside. They leave the lazy grasshopper outside in the cold only. So students, next part of the lesson we will continue in our next class. Now it's time to take the homework. Read and write the keywords from the lesson. Page number 20. Write in your English homework notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.